Tired of soggy, uneven rice or constantly watching the pot on the stove just to avoid a burnt mess? If you are ready to stop settling for average grains and want professional, restaurant-quality results with zero stress, the CUCKOO CR-0675FW Micom rice cooker is the upgrade your kitchen has been crying out for. This isn't just a basic rice maker. It's a smart, versatile appliance that uses advanced fuzzy logic technology to take the guesswork out of every single meal. What makes this CUCKOO model a total standout is how it handles different grains. It's not just for white rice. With 13 distinct menu modes, you can perfectly prepare everything from hearty multigrain and GABA rice to healthy oatmeal, quinoa, porridge, and even stews or baby food. The fuzzy logic technology is the real genius here. It automatically adjusts the cooking temperature and time based on the grain type and volume, ensuring your rice comes out fluffy, consistent, and perfectly cooked every single time. The design is built for busy lives and small to medium kitchens. It has a 6-cup uncooked capacity, yielding 12 cups cooked, which is the perfect sweet spot for small families, couples, or anyone who likes to meal prep for the week ahead. The Nonstick Inner Pot makes serving easy and cleanup almost instant, and the removable lid and dedicated auto clean function keep everything hygienic and fresh without the deep scrubbing hassle. Plus, with the preset timer and automatic keep warm feature, you can plan your meals hours in advance and come home to perfectly warm, delicious food waiting for you. Whether you are a busy professional needing quick, healthy dinners or a home cook looking to master grains with a single touch, this machine delivers consistent quality that puts basic rice cookers to shame. It's compact, sleek, and engineered to simplify your daily routine while elevating the quality of your home-cooked meals. If you are ready to step up your cooking game and enjoy perfectly cooked rice and grains with the touch of a button, you can find the best price for the CUCKOO CR-0675FW rice cooker by clicking the link below.